guys, my cooking in this video. I'm going to cook a Japanese dish which I got the recipe from my sweet friend. Grilled miso eggplants.
These recipes I got from one of my friends. She is Japanese. I remember that my husband and I visited her parents' house and we had the grilled miso eggplants. That's so impressive. That's why I asked her how to cook that. Okay, to make the marinade so easy, place everything in the saucepan. And when you place everything in a saucepan and place on the stove on the low heat and gently simmer until all the mixture incorporated. To prepare eggplant, cut the top of eggplant and then cut the eggplant in half. You can use the eggplant straight away or score the eggplant. To make eggplant, I'm going to fry pan eggplant. Add the oil 2 tablespoons and cook eggplant for 4 minutes each side. And then after that, spread miso marinade on the eggplant and pop in the oven on grill mode for 10 minutes or until your eggplant turn brown and softened. You can enjoy the eggplant with rice and miso soup. See? Nice and easy Japanese meal. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, Comfy Cozy Kitchen with Jari. See you next time guys. Bye!